Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to check the software update in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. So to this operation you have to go to settings, then go to the security and privacy here, then scroll down and go to the system and update. So click on it, and from here you can choose the security update from your phone and you can check it. The update, you can check up the Google Play system update. Yep, you can check it from here, and that's it about the security update. We can write here update, and there is a system update from here. So click on it, you can software update from here, and voila, we are checking for update in our phone. And you can restart because it's our software version is already downloaded, and we can now update our system in phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.